Introducing the Vaniman Master Problast 3 ESD. This is a durable microabrasive sandblaster with 3 tanks, 3 handpiece nozzles, a compressed air blow-off nozzle, and an ionized airflow that creates a continuously conductive environment in the cabinet to prevent electrostatic discharge. This model features a fully grounded cabinet and work surface for a complete user and part grounding system. The sand tanks are clear, so you can see how much media is in there while you work, and each one holds 1,000 milliliters of media. The light switch activates the very bright LED lighting inside. Twist, don't push. Every blaster we sell comes with 3 air supply connection options. The Master Problast 3 ESD comes with a 1/4-inch outer diameter quick disconnect installed by default, and there's also a barb fitting for 1/4-inch inner diameter, and an 1/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter for quick lock systems that you can install if that's the connection you need. The gauge will tell you your pressure, and the knob will adjust it for you. Our blasters go from 0 to 90 psi. This blaster also has our instant off feature, so you don't bleed off any media when you step off the pedal. The dust collector port is a standard 2.5-inch diameter connection for the hose. If you don't have a dust collector, we recommend the Vaniman Abrasive Vac, which is a compact and quiet unit designed specifically for sandblasters. The Vaniman Master Problast 3 ESD is the ideal solution for a variety of applications where electrostatic discharge is an issue, including metal finishing, deburring, surface texturing, cleaning oxidized processes or materials, marking of parts and tools, and many more. But perhaps most impressively, it's great for the removal of conformal coatings like silicone, acrylic, urethane, or epoxies. If you need a blaster with an ESD-resistant cabinet, the Vaniman Master Problast 3 ESD is the choice for you. Ask your dealer or reach out to Vaniman today at 760-723-1498 or by email at service@vaniman.com. We're happy to answer all your questions.